What it do, gang? Who did that? Back with another video. You know what's going on. Back with another lit video, man. So what makes it lit today is because we're taking care of the wifey or whatever, man. So bam, it's the transmission action. So I've been up under here. I was just gonna put the transmission up that I went and bought or whatever, but shit, instead of doing that, I'm just gonna make sure she leak proof. So we went and got us I don't know if y'all can see it over there. This one. Yeah, so we got some main rear seal and an oil pan gasket. So we gon' I already got the razor and hit her down. We got her good and clean stuff. Let me get this camera clean. Hold on, y'all. Alright, so we didn't already hit her down or whatever, got it clean. So now I'm finna go and the oil pan was broken. I'm gonna show y'all when I get it from up under here. So I'm finna go to the other house over here and get the other another oil pan on one of the other motors we got. We're gonna LS swap anyway. So we're gonna change the oil pan. So yeah, we got everything clean on beam. And now it's time for us to get out black ass my bunch of this thing on the truck. Whew. Alright, so I was cleaning this oil pan. Y'all see that? That and over there. So whenever you was bolting this thing in, it wasn't even right. The gasket part was sealing, but it wasn't even sealing. So we gonna go to the other house, like I said, real quick, and get that other oil pan. Yes, sir. So y'all see that old training? How many miles to say on it? Yes, sir. So I'm finna go here real fast and get the oil pan. I'm gonna get right back with y'all. Alright. Ooh, hold on. Damn, she look good. But alright, y'all. Alright, y'all, we back. We back. I just left let me check this stuff, make sure it's right. It's not. I just left AutoZone. Of course, there's always some more money. So we had to get them parts or whatever. Clean this camera out. I had to give me I had to get her a transmission mount, speed sensor. The one that was on the transmission, like it was no good. So now we're going back to the house to I'm down the street. I just left AutoZone. So now we're going back to the house to put the transmission mount on and the speed sensor. I had already put the transmission in already. Y'all know how I get in. My phone died and I wasn't finna wait. I wasn't finna wait until my phone charged up to put the transmission back up. I already been taking all day, taking my time. I ain't even gonna lie, been taking a million breaks, stamped it. But it is what it is though. I'm taking my time doing it right. I ain't rushing nothing. Shit, ain't no point of rushing nothing. But I bought everything else though. Shit, got all the transmission fluid, all the oil, and main rear seal is up. New oil pan gasket. Shit, I got the I got the flex plate up there good and tight with some old temporary Loctite on it. I don't think I got the green, got the blue. Other than that, we in there like swimwear, y'all. I hope the transmission work good and everything, and I ain't just waste all my money. I know I got a good look for that shit. I'm finna pull up in the yard in a minute, and I'm gonna take y'all back on. Alright, we back, y'all. But it's right about 2 days later. I ended up finishing. Let me get the camera right. I ended up finishing the main rear seal and the oil pan gasket, and putting the transmission up, and going to get the damn pipe done on the damn truck. I got some Super 44s, Flowmasters, on the Yukon. So yeah, she about ready. Y'all can see. Yeah. And she drove right here. Yes, sir. Still gotta go get the door handles and stuff like that. But I put everything together. A1 yo-yo. I'm finna go in the house and get these keys for y'all. Let y'all know what's going on. Yeah, y'all know I got that old cut dog sitting up here. Finna do some construction, man. Put a little frame notch on it, on the back and the front. So I can put these 6s on here. These big boys. All right, give me a second. All right. Yeah. See. You gotta get all these damn speakers and shit out this damn truck. But the driver's side door handle on this truck still fucked up. And I ain't even replaced these seats yet. But hit the block with y'all real fast, man. It need a fuel pressure regulator in this truck. It's like the RPM be jumping and like you can't hit the gas sometimes. But I just know the motor and stuff is very good. So we ain't even gotta check engine light on. I gotta figure out that right there. It's not getting enough gas. So I gotta figure that out. I think it's a fuel pressure regulator though. But she running dry. I'm switching out 4 gears. I know that much. So that's a good thing. She ain't that bad, y'all. For sure. Like I said, overall, man, I'm satisfied. I'm gonna see if she gonna like the truck or not. You know, we figure that out. Be alright. I'm gonna get the free regulator off my green truck though real fast, or sometime today, and see if that's really the problem. I think so though, but the truck running very good. Look at this, man. No checking this light, man. They got this brake thing on because I gotta pull this brake up. The e-brake don't even fucking work on this truck. Hold on. We'll figure it out. But, yeah, she ready though, y'all. headlight, new tail lights, and fix the tail lights control module, and it'll be alright. I got the little piece, put all that back on. I ain't did all that because I didn't put a radio in here. So yeah, it's the finishing process of the truck though. Well, not always finished, but almost finished, you know. So yeah, Boo did that. Checking out with another video, man. Update on the Yukon. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, man, because you know we're finna get ready to this color. This color's gonna be a bad motherfucker, man. So you know when it's up on the carport, you know what time it is. Work time. So we gonna get her back done though. We'll get her together. She ain't that bad though. I've been doing a little something, trying to get it presentable, clean, just to work on. But yeah, we gonna get her done though, man. Cutlass coming, man. Cutlass is on the way. All right.